Greetings and salutations. My name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I am going to use a bottle top. I cut the top off this guy so he's not really all that funnel-like. He's just got a small neck now. But I have thought that if I just put this on there, pour some paint, pull it up and let it go, we'll see what happens. My paints are all ready, so let's get down to it. In this cup, or bottle, or whatever, I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do it like this. Okay, so I'll start here and then I'll pull it this way and let it all flow out, hopefully. Okay, so what I've got here is custom purple, Artist Loft metallic gold. I'm going to use this Deco Art Extreme Sheen in pink, a custom teal, a custom ivory, and a little bit of black, just to kind of make the rest of the black on the canvas look right. Oh boy, it's been a long day. This is my last painting of the day, so we're going to do it to it. Alright, what do I want to start with? Let's start with black, just a little bit. Alright, here goes nothing. Oops. Well, that'll make a good, I didn't realize I was that far away from the, or that close to the edge. That's okay. I'll show you what we're going to do with that. Let's move these out of the way so they don't get all dirty. Okay. Let's go this way first. You know what? I don't like the way this is looking, so we're gonna do this. And up and over. Alright, so we're gonna take a little bit of this. This turned out pretty cool, actually. I didn't realize I was out of camera range, but I put a couple of drops in the corner there. I like that much better than what it was. That's actually really cool. And I think I'm going to get another canvas ready and we're going to dip into that guy again. But first, we're going to torch this guy. Alrighty then. I'm going to put a little bit of black on this corner that I missed. I'm going to let this sit for a minute. And I'm going to grab another canvas and we're going to dip it in that guy. I'm going to put a little bit of black right here. And we're going to go up. Like that. Airbrush for a second. towards this one. Well, I guess that's all it's gonna have. I'm gonna let these sit for 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes, and we'll come back to them. Okay, I got 2 paintings this time, but I don't know what to do with them because I don't want to set them down because they're on my little trays. Okay, so this was the second one. This is the one that we kind of did a swipe-ish, dip-ish. I don't know, it looks pretty cool to me. And of course my torch ran out of fuel right as I was getting done torching it. So there's little spots where I would have probably liked a few more cells, but I'm okay with the way it is. But I like that corner. That turned out pretty cool. This is the original one that I kind of, I gotta do the dip thing. If you found value in this video, mistakes and all, please click that like button. And if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please click subscribe and hit that little notification bell, and that will let you know when we upload new content or go live on our channel. Thanks for joining me tonight. I hope you learned something, that even people who consider themselves professional artists are not so professional all the time. Sometimes we make mistakes. Peace, love, and happiness.